Welcome students in our third class of phrases and clauses. So now we will do types of phrases and clauses. Types of phrases. Students, there are three types of phrases here. Noun phrase, noun phrase. Noun का क्या काम होता है बच्चों? Noun का काम होता है, it's work like a subject and object. It's work like a subject or object in a sentence. So I am writing here, I love my two beautiful daughters. I'm giving you one example for understanding how it's work like a subject. अभी sorry, noun phrase. Noun phrase का काम किस तरह से कर रहे हैं ये? I love my two beautiful daughters. अभी मैं I love को छोड़ दूंगी. I love क्या है? That is a sub clause है, subject है और verb है. My two beautiful daughters. यहाँ पर love का stress किसके ऊपर जा रहा है? Love का stress जा रहा है daughters के ऊपर. किसके ऊपर जा रहा है? Daughters के ऊपर. So daughters it is working like as a ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट है और ये क्या है मेरा पास? नाउन है. तो इट विल वर्क लाइक एज अ नाउन फ्रेज. दिस विल बी अ नाउन फ्रेज. अनदर एग्जांपल वी विल सी हियर. द वुमेन near the window. The woman near the window shouted loudly. The woman near the window shouted loudly. अब woman near the window, सबसे पहले हमें देखना है हमारे पास phrase कौन सा है. We have to find the phrase. जैसे हमने ऊपर वाले sentence में देखा था, that was my two beautiful daughter was the phrase. My two beautiful daughter was the phrase. और उसमें से हमने देखा कि हमारे पास stress किसके ऊपर आ रहा है? daughters के ऊपर आ रहा था. तो we find that the noun phrase. The woman near the window. The woman near the window मेरे पास क्या है? That is a group of word. That is a phrase. The woman near the window. अब woman के बारे में बात हो रही है. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? women के बारे में. woman क्या है मेरे पास? noun है. woman is a noun. It's a common noun. तो common noun होने के बाद this again will be a noun phrase. It will be a noun phrase. Now come here for the adjective phrase. Adjective phrase क्या होता है? आपको adjective का meaning clear है? That describe a noun or pronoun. Adjective phrase क्या होते हैं? जो noun या pronoun को define करते हैं. Both the students are friendly. How the students are? Students are friendly. It is defining us the about the student. It is describing the students. Students कैसे हैं? Friendly है. So it is working like a adjective phrase. It's a working like a adjective phrase. One more example I will give you for this. The kids are afraid of. I will write here. The kids are afraid of sorry, dark. The kids are afraid of dark. किड्स की बात करूंगी बच्चों, तो किड्स क्या है मेरे पास? सब्जेक्ट है. आर मेरे पास क्या है? आर मेरे पास वर्ब है. द किड्स आर तो ये मेरे पास होगा क्लॉज. अफ्रेड ऑफ डार्क, बात किसके बारे में हो रही है? किड्स के बारे में. व्हाट आर दे अफ्रेड ऑफ? दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ डार्क. किससे अफ्रेड है? अभी हमने उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, किड्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं. तो इट इज अ adjective. It's a adjective. We are describing about the kids, so it becomes a adjective phrase. Now come here for the adverb phrase. I will erase this. Now come here for the adverb phrase. Adverb phrase क्या होता है students? Adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is here. Adverb क्या होता है? Which tells us more about the verb, adverb और adjective. Adverb क्या होते हैं? जो हमें adverb के बारे में भी बताते हैं, adverb के बारे में भी बताते हैं और adjectives के बारे में भी बताते हैं. He behaved very well. How he behaved? He behaved very well. He is a subject, behaved verb, very well. Very well is a group of words, so it will be a work like a adverb phrase. It will work like a adverb phrase. One more example I will give you for this. Hope you understand the types of phrases. I will, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. We will be working carefully. how he will be working, he will be working, he क्या मेरे पास सब्जेक्ट है बच्चों, will भी हमारा वर्ब है, working carefully. अब working carefully के बारे में बात हो रही है, तो working carefully will be a adverb phrase. They are telling us the manner how they are doing the work. They are doing the work carefully. He is doing the work carefully. So with this, our types of phrases are completed. Now we will go for the types of adverbs. Like the types of phrases, we are having the same types of adverbs also. So noun, sorry, types of clauses. We are having types of clauses also. Sorry, students. We are having noun clause. We are having noun clause. Noun clause क्या होता है? Noun clause same वही रहेगा, which is working like as a noun for the sentence, which is working like as a noun of the sentence. जब हमें what या whom के बारे में पता लगेगा, what या whom के बारे में पता लगेगा, तो that will work as a noun clause. A vacation is what I need most. A vacation is what I need most. I need most. अब I what I a vacation क्या है मेरे पास subject है. Vacation क्या है subject है, is मेरा verb है. It is a one clause. Second clause है what I need most. What I need most. मुझे जो सबसे ज्यादा चाहिए, what is that? That is a subject. अब मेरे पास बीच में क्या है? What. किसके बारे में? जब भी हम बेटा what वाला सेंटेंस होगा, that will be directly related to a noun clause. जब हमें what या whom का आंसर मिलता है, that is known as a noun clause. Hope you understand this. A vacation is what I need most. मुझे सबसे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? That is a vacation. और मैं इसमें किससे अपनी बात को क्लियर कर रही हूँ? What से क्लियर कर रही हूँ? So it will be a noun clause. Let's come to the adjective clause. Adjective clause. Adjective clause क्या है? Kathy thinks that she is pretty. She is pretty. अब Kathy thinks, Kathy is subject है, thinks हमारे पास क्या है? Verb है. That is the one clause. She क्या है? She is subject. Is pretty. अब she किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? That जो मुझे describe कर रहा है, that describe कर रहा है कैथी को. That is describing the कैथी. That किसको describe कर रहा है? कैथी के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो उसके बारे में हम उसकी विशेषता को बता रहे हैं, तो it will be a adjective clause. अब she is pretty, तो अब ये हमारा clause है, she is तो clause है, तो it will become a she is pretty, it will become a adjective clause. Come to the third one, adverb clause. Students, if you will be having any doubt, you can watch the videos again. That will again, if you will see that, then you will get more clear. Adverb clause. He thinks he is growing slowly and steadily. One thing more, students, I want to tell you, कोई भी चीज जब हम करते हैं, तो जब तक हम उसकी practice नहीं करेंगे, we can't say that we understand. I tried my best. I give you so many examples for clearing all the aspects, but now it's your part. You have to do the practice of all the types of sentences we have, clauses and phrases. You have to find from another books also and do the practice. If you will do practice, you will get definitely understand about this topic. Our last topic is adverb clause. He thinks he is going slowly and steadily. तो he क्या मेरा सब्जेक्ट है, थिंग्स मेरा वर्ब है. he again here is he is drawing. he क्या है? again is subject. is drawing is a verb. is drawing is a verb. अब वो ग्रो कैसे कर रहा है? he is growing slowly and steadily. तो he is growing slowly and steadily, तो that will be a manner how he is growing. जब एडवर्ब हमें क्या बताता है कि काम करने का तरीका होता है, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ एक्शन, ऑल दैट, द फ्रीक्वेंसी. we have already done all this in our previous chapter of adverb. So hope you understand it is working like adverb clause. If any doubts, you can ask to me, and now do the practice of the chapter and solve the given exercise in your book. Thank you, students.